Yeah.
Good morning, guys. In the class now, you had been waiting with burning curiosity, and I'm highly glad to invite in this function. And since chief guests are among us now, so there is no need to just make delay. Okay. First of all, I would like to introduce both of them. Yeah. Mr. Rajan Kumar Sen. He is our senior. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Rajan Kumar Sen. I am from Purvi Parva, Bengal. As you know, that Purvi Parva is a known place. Nobody like to live there. I belong to such a place, and maybe I was first batch of this coaching. Means whenever this coaching started, we were 7 students here, and that's why we are the most senior of this coaching. Whenever this was a cow shed. This was cow shed. We used to read here in front of cow. Okay, so and I'm happy to see you as a student. Now I'm teacher. So I'm happy. You are learning. So you know that one thing I make it clear. Most of the you people are doing according to time. This time is demanding English, and you are learning English. That is the good thing, and it is a good for the future too, because each and everything whatever you are going to do in future, as far as competition exam is concerned, this would be maybe in future, maybe whenever you grow up and you will be faced any competition exam, this would be totally in an English. So that is the good thing for you that you are doing spoken English here, and you are learning, you are making your future bright, and that's good for you and the rest of future life.
Now I would like to introduce one of my classmates, you can say senior too. Similarly. Please be.
Good morning everyone. Myself is Smita Shyam Thakurkia. Professionally I am an artist. I have a small institute which I held in 12 years maybe, and I am director of Silk Quartz. I am one of the students. I think that when you are qualified, in that time you must stay in English. Mostly I think you are just maybe possible there are some students belong to the Hindi medium schools. In that time we face a lots of problems. I have also complete my education in Hindi medium, and whenever I go anywhere in that time you never give the excuses that you belong to the Hindi medium or English medium. You have to speak English. In this time it's must, and whenever you go anywhere, it doesn't matter that you go the metro cities or the town place. I think speaking English is a must for the everyone. And in Bemendra, especially, it's a town place. There is no facilities, and you see that Raju Priya is a great. I think he is one of the best person, and he have great knowledge about it. And you see that in Bemendra, whenever you go anywhere, in that time when you speak in English, in that time you realize that we get lots of knowledge from here. And I just think that Raju is doing a very good job, because he just improve yourself and your inner confidence. Like whenever you chatting, you just addressing here, you speak front of everyone. In that time you see that you improve your skill to speak front of the persons. So it's a great opportunity, and whenever I joined, I spent here almost 2.5 years, almost 3 years. And one experience I never forget, that first time Milan just he was also my charger and just came and say that, "Hi Didi, I'm Milan Saluja, I'm your chargers." And that moment is not this, I always remember it. And I just say that you give a lots of time, you do the hard work, not depend on Raju Priyas and chargers. You give a lots of time for that, and definitely you improve yourself in this courses. Thank you very much.
Okay, as Bhaiya already told you, when I came here first time, I got him as my PPT teacher. He is right from beginning here. He has been with us for a long time, since batch of 2000 you can say. He has told you his qualification too. He has done MA in English. Okay, now the moment has come. We are going to disclose the top 3 writers or performers you can say.